Hello everyone, welcome to Reactify Labs. Today we are going to talk about another design pattern and it is a structural design pattern called facade pattern. Okay, so let's write it down. Facade pattern. So what's the definition? Sorry, this. Hmm. So facade pattern is a structural design pattern that provides a simplified interface to a library, a framework, or any other complex set of classes. So the definition is very simple, and as the uh, literal definition of the English word facade goes, it's the same thing. So basically, facade is what? Facade is like putting a mask. So, for example, let's say there are a lot of things going on in your life. For example, you had a breakup, you got fired, you are unhealthy, you have back pain. What else? You are sad. A lot of things are going on, right? But you cry about them, cry in private. But whenever someone comes to meet your home or somebody calls you, what do? You put a simple smiley face and talk to the people, right? So this is something that is called a facade. So you are putting up a facade, putting up a mask for other people and not show them what is going on inside you. So keeping this in mind, let's see another technical example or some real life example which we can relate to for this. So for this, let's take an example of home theater. Okay. So this home theater is what? It's a combination of multiple things, right? So it's a combination of a DVD, an amplifier, it has projector, and it has lights. Let's say it has TV also, but these are the primary things which constitute a home theater. So what happens is our job is to connect these things to the home theater. Just connect using the wire or Bluetooth and the home theater and turn on the home theater, it starts. So home theater is basically acting as a facade because you know that you don't have to do a lot of things. If you have to watch a movie, what you have to do is just turn on the home theater. And when you turn on the home theater, what it does is it first turns on the DVD, then it turns on the amplifier, then it sets the volume, right? Then it turns on the projector, right? Then it dims the light, then it starts playing the movie. So this all happens when you like click play on home theater. Okay, once that movie ends, what do is you click on stop or end, whatever. What it does is it will turn off DVD. So basically the reverse of these things, it will do everything, okay, in reverse and return you something that okay, the movie has ended. So basically what happened was home theater was putting a facade. Another example, if you see, let's take the example of customer care, right? So let's say you have received a wrong order. So the customer care, you only talk to the customer care and customer care says, okay sir, we will give you a refund. What you did, you talked to the person, The person gave you the refund. That's it, right? But what happened in the back end? In the back end, what happened was this customer care guy went and talked to the mm, I don't know what is that called, service provider or the product provider. Something like this happened. Uh, he reversed the payment, initiated a return, and multiple things. He did a lot of things, but what you saw was that you just called and you got the refund. So this is also a kind of facade. So the customer care put up a facade in front of you that okay, for you everything is smooth, right? So this is where the facade comes in. So we do not need, we do not need to know the complexities of the systems all the time. So we want convenience. And for our convenience, the systems are designed in such a way so that we get our convenience that we want. Okay. So it's very simple. Let's take an example. As I mentioned the home theater in the beginning, so I'll take the example of that. So we have a DVD class. It has functions like on, play, stop, and off. Okay. So these are the functions that it has. Next, I mentioned amplifier class. So we have an amplifier class. It has functions like on, set volume, and off. Then we have projector. It also has functions like, let's say, on. If you have to turn on widescreen mode, then widescreen, and then off, right? And then we mentioned lights. So let's say it has a functionality called dim. Okay. It has multiple functionalities. Now what happens is there comes a home theater. So there is a home theater. We have a constructor for this. Okay. So the constructor initializes the objects of DVD, amplifier, projector, and lights. With these, the home theater constructor gets initialized, and it has functions called watch movie and end movie, right? So what happens in the watch movie when you click on watch movie, as I mentioned at the beginning? So what it will do is first it will dim the lights. It will use the lights object to dim the lights, to call this dim function. It will turn on the projector, projector dot on. It will set the projector to widescreen mode, let's say. It will turn on the amplifier. It will set the volume on the amplifier. It will turn on the DVD player, DVD dot on, and it will, sorry, I'll write it like this, DVD dot on, and it will click on the play in the DVD. That's it. Similarly, for the end movie, it will go and reverse everything in the order. First, DVD will be off. Wait, before that, DVD has to be stopped. DVD will be stopped. DVD will be off. Amplifier will be off. Projector will be off. And lights will be turned on. So lights will be dimmed to the level. Let's say 100. Here it was dimmed to level 10. So it will take something. Okay. So that's it. So you have to do a lot of things if you did not have a home theater. But now that home theater has put up a facade for you, you just have watch movie and end movie. So what will be the use of it? There will be a client code which will create a home theater object. Home theater object. And this home theater object will be created with these parameters. And all you need to do is click on the play button and you will do object dot watch movie will be called, And once you are done watching the movie, you want everything to go back to their original state, so you will just click on object dot end movie, and that will be it. This is the facade that home theater is going to put for the client, right? The client is us, you and I, who is using the home theater, and everything is taken care of. So I hope this clears the which design pattern we are studying. It's facade design pattern, yes. So yeah, I hope this clears it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.